Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to sell products directly through IG, connecting your Instagram shopping to Squarespace is a must. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to add IG shopping in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first of all, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and go look for squarespace.com. So what we're gonna do now is tap on this website, go all the way, log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go all the way to this product and services here. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way to products. So make sure you enable the product visibility. Then connect your Facebook and Instagram account by going through settings here. Okay, so we have the website, we have the domain and email, we have the marketing, we're gonna go and see. We have the meta pixel and ads, SEO appearance, third-party tools. You can connect accounts here, tap on connect account, then pick IG and Facebook. So after this, just sync your IG account, sign in and authorize the connection, then set up Facebook Commerce Manager. Assign your Squarespace catalog, then submit for review. IG will review your shop, then they're gonna give you an answer. Once you are approved, you can start tagging your products in posts. You should also use high quality product images, write clear product descriptions and all of this. And that's it. That's how to add IG shopping in Squarespace in 2026. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.